Today I want to show you these videos because a lot of people say how to fix the mouse not working, like my case here, no work, nothing. So you see it, click right, click left, nothing. But I connect one more mouse included with is working because different mouse. So I click the right, now there is working. Okay, but here is no work, nothing. The mouse here. So that's why today I want to show you how to fix it. So first we go do is we go and start. And go start, and we're looking for control panel. In control panel we're looking for and a mouse. Double click on the mouse. We close that one. And here's the mouse we're looking for. Buttons, printer, wheel. We're looking for hardware. So here we see two lines here. The first line is the mouse connect with, that's what this one connected. The second one is not blue color, this one. As the mouse not working now, so we make it working. So here's the thing, we click here down under one and we put OK. After OK, and we check it out now. Okay, now I show you all today is not working, so still not working. But here is the thing I got do it. Push FN and F7 together. FN and F7. Click together. And now working, see? Now I click right, it's working now. You see guys, working now. So this is it for today. I hope you like your videos. Subscribe, let me comment if you have any message. I will answer you back. Thank you.